What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. We'll get directly into this. I am not happy to have to make this video today, and I wasn't making any other videos. Like, I had the one video go up today for Saturday, and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to publish any other videos. It's a weekend. Like, most people are not really digging into car news on Saturday and Sundays, right? That said, here we are. And that's because two of my executive sources have now confirmed to me that Sterling Heights assembly plant may be losing up to 600 jobs. And these are jobs that they call, what Stellantis is preparing to say when they cut these jobs are, they have to compete in a market, and the market conditions are making them do this thing. But they're also saying that they're redundant jobs, and they're cutting these as Sterling Heights will be manufacturing some electric vehicles here in the near future, and they don't need these extra 600 employees as the others can do the job. Now, you guys know I am not a fan of having to, report this stuff or make people feel uneasy about their position with their jobs. And I know a lot of people, I've seen them in the comments, like, I've been there for 15 years, I don't have anything to worry about. Well, we see that that's not the case, as what we saw at Jefferson and Mack. There's some people out of those 50 on either side that had over 12 years of seniority, and they're gone. So, yeah, this is probably the 600 are probably going to be mostly, people that have only been there for a few years, or maybe they transferred from somebody else and they don't have that, Stellantis or that Chrysler seniority. And it sucks, especially around this time. Now, according to my sources, they're not doing this before Thanksgiving, though depending on what goes on with the market and where they're at, they could announce it before the beginning of December. But definitely doing it before January. And that's 600 represented union employees. This is another shot that Stellantis is taking at the UAW to say, hey, look, we don't care. We're done. Like, the Stellantis is literally trying to cut every union-backed job that they can before the new president is sworn in January. Shocking. It is, and it sucks. And I know a lot of people at Sterling Heights, and I correspond with you guys all the time. You guys email me or send me stuff all the time, and I appreciate you guys. And I feel bad about it because a lot of people are like, well, they're not coming here. Yeah, they're laying people off at Warren. Yeah, they're laying people off at Jefferson and Mack, or they're laying people off over here at Stamping, but they're not coming for us. Well, now they're coming for you. And I feel bad. I'm hoping that you guys are at least able to make it through the holidays before this happens. And I just wish the company could get their proverbial crap together so that this kind of stuff didn't have to happen. But I digress. What do you feel? What do you guys think about them cutting another 600 union jobs from Sterling Heights? I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.